The next step in our elf costume is our main top piece. This is what's actually going to fit over your head and down onto your shoulders and arms, and is really going to cover up your midsection. Now you have to be careful because some of the areas will actually expose some cloth underneath your neckline. White t-shirts are okay. Green and red would be better if you have them lying around the house, even if it's a darker green. So, and it's pretty simple actually how you put this on. Again, it's going to go up over your head, and I mean it really should just, it's going to be resting on your body. There's no pins and buttons or zippers or anything crazy like that. It's just fine. And again, like the white color, that's not too bad. If you have red or green, that's okay too. I want to keep it real and also think of what you're actually going to have in your wardrobe. So don't worry too much about that. The big thing to worry about is a lot of these costumes are one size fit all. So definitely make sure and ask the costume store clerk, if you happen to be, particularly large or small, definitely ask the costume store clerk, well, what exactly does one size fit all mean? Because you want to make sure that, it doesn't necessarily look like a sombrero or, excuse me, a poncho. And on the other hand, you also want to make sure it's like you don't have any room to move either before you put it on and buy your costume.